Wadhi nyime nyaka Ramogi wadonje weche mag ohala gi kindeni. Weg nyamburko mating'o jowuoth koro dwaro mondo telo machiwo lesen mag riembo geche odar kuwuok e telo mauchung' ne wuoth koda piny NTSA nyaka e bad migawo mar tiego rawere ma pacho ka NYS kotelnegi kod jakom riwruogno mar weg nyamburko Simon Kimutai. Giwacho ni tenda piny NTSA osebedo kachiwo lesen ne jogo ma ok opuodhi. Gino mag yango ni osemiyo masira mag apaya omedore ka kar tiegruok mar rawere NYS ong'ere kod lony mamalo e tiegruok mag joriembo mag nyamburko. Ne giwuoyo e kinde romo mar tiegruok gi jokanyo e sekta mar wuoth kod nyamburko KICC Wuone, Nairobi.
Why is it that every time we talk police officer going on the road, they are asking for money? And why is it is only the PSV because they have money? Why can't we come up with the idea of cashless, whereby there's no that money? I think things will change.
The issue of issuing PSV license to drivers on the strength of the age of the license. 4 years, you're told, if you have a 4-year-old license, you're eligible to get a license. And you do get it without testing, being tested, whether you are able to drive. And this now causes problems to us as investors in public transport. This person will come and land from my vehicle. And yet, I'm blamed when an accident occurs. We should blame the people who issue them licenses. The function of issuance of PSV license be removed from NTSA and be taken to an area who have the capacity to taste and classify. National Youth Service is known for producing the best drivers in the country. Why can this function be given to them?